If you have experience with HTML5 and want to get into mobile development, one option is Sencha Touch. It's an HTML5 mobile application framework designed for touchscreen devices, which allow you to build apps for all sorts of devices, including iOS, Android, and Windows Phone. In this course, I walk you through everything you need to know about Sencha Touch and gets you started on the road to building your own mobile application. From this course modules, you will learn all the fundamentals of building a Sencha Touch mobile web application with just JavaScript. You will learn how to leverage the Sencha Touch data and visual component to build world-class mobile HTML5 and CSS3 applications that can be deployed across multiple mobile platforms like iOS, Android, BlackBerry, Windows Phone, and others. Expect at the end of the course to be prepared to build high-fidelity, high-quality web applications based on a solid understanding of the fundamentals of Sencha Touch. I am a mobile developer from Morocco. I've been using Sencha Touch extensively for mobile development for over 2 years and made notes of all the painful experiences along the way. This is why I can understand what it feels like for a beginner to get started learning Sencha Touch and why I can help you build awesome mobile apps. I love what Sencha Touch can do. I love that I can create multiple platform applications from a single code base. I love that I can create iOS application from my Windows computer, and I love the idea of mobile web. Sencha Touch can be difficult to get your head around talks and couldn't blame some people for throwing in the towel and pursuing native development instead. I want to help people get through that tedious stage so you can experience the benefits of Sencha Touch for yourself. That's why I'm building this course. So let's get started discovering the powerful of Sencha Touch framework.